James Kimberly Corden, born the 22nd of August 1978, is an English actor, comedian, writer, producer, singer, and television host. In the United Kingdom, he is best known for co-writing and starring in the critically acclaimed BBC sitcom Gavin and Stacey. In the United States, he gained recognition as the host of The Late Late Show with James Corden, a late-night talk show that aired on CBS from 2015 to 2023. Originally airing from 2007 to 2010, Corden co-wrote and co-starred with Welsh actress Ruth Jones in Gavin and Stacey, for which he won the BAFTA Television Award for Best Comedy Performance. He was featured, along with grime artist Dizzy Rascal, on the UK #1 single Shout. Corden created his carpool karaoke sketch in 2011. He hosted the Brit Awards 2009, 2011, and 2014, the Tony Awards 2016 and 2019, and the Grammy Awards 2017 and 2018. From 2010 to 2019, he presented the panel show A League of Their Own on Sky One. Corden has acted in films, including Gulliver's Travels 2010, Kill Your Friends 2015, and Peter Rabbit 2018, and its 2021 sequel, in which he voiced the title character. He also acted in the musical films Into the Woods 2014, Cats 2019, The Prom 2020, and Cinderella 2021. In 2011, Corden starred in the National Theatre show One Man, Two Governors, which transferred from the West End to Broadway, where Corden won the Tony Award for Best Actor in a Play. In 2015, he received the BAFTA Britannia Award for British Artist of the Year. Corden has been nominated for 29 Primetime Emmy Awards, winning 12 in total, including for The Late Late Show, Carpool Karaoke, and hosting the 70th Tony Awards. He was appointed an Officer of the Order of the British Empire in the 2015 New Year Honours for services to drama. Corden was born in Hillingdon, Greater London, the son of Margaret and Malcolm Corden. His father was a musician in the Central Band of the Royal Air Force and later became a salesman of Christian books and Bibles. Corden's mother was a social worker. He grew up in Hazelmere, Buckinghamshire, and attended Park Middle School and Holmer Green Upper School. He has two sisters. Controversies in a 2016 Spill Your Guts or Fill Your Guts segment with Jimmy Kimmel. Corden was unable to name two of his regular camera operators despite daily collaboration, drawing criticism for apparent disregard for crew members. In October 2022, Corden's monologue included a joke nearly identical to one from Ricky Gervais's 2018 Netflix special Humanity, prompting accusations of plagiarism. Corden called it inadvertent, and Gervais suggested it was likely a writer's error. During his tenure hosting The Late Late Show, Corden faced several controversies. In April 2019, television writer Jack Allison accused Corden of attending a Writers Guild of America meeting without his staffers, accompanied only by an executive producer to advocate for a new lower pay grade for entry-level writers below union minimums. Allison noted that internships and writer's assistant positions already existed as pipeline opportunities and characterized the proposal as skeptical given the show's staff were already among television's lowest paid writers. Corden responded that he sought to explore whether talented people could get a better opportunity through 13-week writer's assistant contracts, even though these would bypass existing union protections and minimum rates, denying any intent to pay writers less than they deserved. The Writers Guild rejected the proposal as it would have undercut established union minimum rates negotiated in the NBA. In October 2017, while hosting the Amp for Inspiration Gala in Los Angeles amid emerging allegations of sexual misconduct against Harvey Weinstein, Corden made multiple jokes referencing Weinstein, including one about him requesting massages in his hotel room. The remarks drew groans from the audience and criticism from figures including Rose McGowan. Corden later apologized on Twitter, stating sexual assault is no laughing matter and that his intent was to shame Weinstein, not his victims. In October 2022, Corden was banned from the New York restaurant Belthazer by proprietor Keith McNally after reportedly being abusive and extremely nasty to staff. The ban was later rescinded after Corden apologized to McNally in private and in public, admitting that he had been ungracious. Keith McNally described James Corden as a tiny cretin and the most abusive customer to his servers in 25 years, citing incidents where Corden berated staff over food errors. Personal life, Corden shared a flat with fellow actor and friend Dominic Cooper for several years. Cooper introduced Corden to his future wife Julia Carey, whom Cooper had known for years. Corden married Carey on the 15th of September 2012. The Cordens have 3 children. Corden is a supporter of English football club West Ham United. Corden was appointed Officer of the Order of the British Empire in the 2015 New Year Honours for services to drama. He received the honor from Princess and during a ceremony at Buckingham Palace in June 2015. Corden resides in Los Angeles with his family. He maintains a home in Belsize Park, London, and Templecombe House at Wargrave in Berkshire. In April 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Corden paid the salaries of furloughed employees on The Late Late Show. He also launched a fundraising campaign with the NBA to benefit Feed the Children. In January 2022, Corden announced that he had tested positive for COVID-19. He said he was fine and already fully vaccinated and boosted. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.